Jai Hind. I welcome you all. Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India welcomes you all for 6th International Science Festival 2020, the largest festival of its kind, not only in India, but in Asia. And today we are witnessing the closing ceremony, the award ceremony for International Science Film Festival of India 2020. As they rightly say, the good thing about science is that it's true whether you believe or not, but we do believe in, and not only believe but also lifts the bar with every passing year with Science International Film Festival of India. And I welcome esteemed galaxy of panelists, jury members, and our chief guest. I welcome Dr. Nakul Parashar, Director Vigyan Prasar. I welcome Shri Shekhar Kapoor, veteran filmmaker, President, Film and Television Institute of India, FTII Society, and Chairman, Governing Council of FTII, veteran filmmaker and environmentalist, Shri Mike Pandey ji with us, and Ranjana Agrawal ji with us, who's Chief Coordinator for India International Science Festival, Director CSIR and NISTATS. I welcome you all and my esteemed jury. All members are also with us. And now, without taking any time further, I would like to start. And I now welcome the man who is tirelessly amalgamating all the best possibilities with his wonderful team of best minds, indeed, to make this festival a biggest and bestest with a better every year, brighter every year, certainly. Shri Nakul Parashar ji, Director Vigyan Prasar. I request you, sir, to kindly render your welcome address. Dr. Parashar.
Dr. Parashar is joining soon. I request Director NISTATS, Dr. Ranjana Agrawal, for welcome remarks.
Thank you, Nimeshji. I'm very pleased today to welcome Dr. Shekhar Kapoor, Dr. Mike Pandey, Dr. Nakul Parashar, who will be joining soon, Director Vigyan Prasar, other dignitaries, Dr. Nimish Kapoor and his dedicated team, who have been working tirelessly to make this event successful. So today, on the last day of India International Science Festival, in this inaugural session, I welcome all the guests on my own behalf as Chief Coordinator of India International Science Festival and also International Science Film Festival of India. It's a great opportunity for the delegates who are participating in this event to interact, come face to face with the best of the brains in the film industry who are producing the kind of films which scintillates the mind of the young people across the society. When we talk about India International Science Festival, the whole spirit behind to celebrate this event is to bring science to masses, to celebrate the science rather than making science a very difficult or a cliche subject which science society does not associate with. And this film festival, which has been incorporated from the very first India International Science Festival, that was 2015 at IIT Delhi. So this festival was introduced at that very time. And since then, it has grown leap and bounds. And today, when we are talking of India International Science Festival, among the 9 verticals, there are 40 events. And in International Science Film Festival of India is shining like a star. I would like to congratulate the team of Dr. Nimish Kapoor. The kind of response you have got from not only from India, but from abroad too, that you got 634 entries from 60 countries. This fact itself speaks volume about the hard work your team must have done. And I would also like to thank all the contributors, those who have participated in this event as delegate, as master class for training, for master classes, the jury members. I can understand the kind of mammoth task you people have done to screen those 634 movies, shortlisting them to 210, and then jotting down to 20 science 20 awards for this particular festival. So I think this film festival, when we are always attracted towards Bollywood, Hollywood whenever we talk of this, because our brain gets engaged very easily when there is there are strong emotions, whether this is empathy, affinity to oneself or solidarity. So our brain works accordingly, and I think films in that way uh, gives us that scope to give the message which is or which is difficult to retain in this particular mode of science communication. We can bring that message easily to the students, to the masses, and we can create science communication in a much better way. So I will not take much time because there are people who are experts of their fields, and I would like them to have more time. So with these words, I would like to close. But from the bottom of my heart, I would like to welcome each and everyone for gracing the valedictory function of International Science Film Festival of India. Thank you so very much for giving me the opportunity to come and share the dais. Thank you, Nimeshji.
Thank you so much, Ranjana ji. Thank you so much. It was
Thank you,
such an insightful experience to hear you. And now I would like to invite Shri Nimish Kapoor ji, convener and scientist E. Vigyan Prasar, to present a brief report of 6th International Science Film Festival of India 2020. Shri Nimish ji.
Rima, before the report, I request Dr. Nakul Parashar,
Okay.
Director Vigyan Prasar and organizer of the International Science Film Festival of India, for inaugural for welcome remarks. Sir.
नमस्कार निमिष जी, नमस्कार सभी वो महानुभाव जो आज इस वैलेडिक्टरी सेशन में हम सबके साथ जुड़े हैं। सबसे पहले तो मैं शेखर कपूर जी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये कि उनको यहाँ पे अपने साथ देख के बहुत अत्यधिक हर्ष का अनुभव हो रहा है, बहुत अपने आप को हम गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं। और सर, आपने आज हमको मौका दिया, आपने हमारा आतिथ्य, हमारा निमंत्रण स्वीकार किया, उसके लिए आपको कोटिशः प्रणाम, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। आपके यहाँ होने से ना सिर्फ इस प्रोग्राम की शोभा बढ़ी है, पर हमें आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स मिली, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले जितने भी हमारे साइंस से रिलेटेड कार्यक्रम हैं, जिनके अंदर फिल्मों का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है, उसमें हमें आपका आशीर्वाद मिलता रहेगा। We'll be blessed on and on ever since you've gotten here. सर, इसके अलावा हम आपसे और भी जगह जगह समय समय पे आपका आशीर्वाद, आपका मार्गदर्शन, आपके अनुभव से प्रेरित होते रहेंगे, खासकर जब हम ने साइंस और प्रौद्योगिकी, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए OTT चैनल भी शुरू किया है, और बहुत सारी तमाम चीज़ें की हैं। फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स तो हम लगातार पिछले 10 वर्षों से करते आ रहे हैं, हर IISF में इसको किया है और आगे भी करने की इच्छा रखते हैं, ताकि ये लोगों तक सशक्त माध्यम, जैसे डॉक्टर रंजना जी अग्रवाल ने अभी कहा कि ये बहुत सशक्त माध्यम है लोगों तक विज्ञान को पहुंचाने का। विज्ञान को हम सब ड्राई और ड्रैब समझते हैं, उसको जितना रोचक बनाया जाए, जितनी ज़्यादा फिल्में तैयार की जाए, उतनी ज़्यादा हम अपनी जो जिम्मेदारी है एक आम आदमी के लिए, एक आम जनमानस के लिए, उसको पूरा कर पाएंगे। डॉक्टर महेश जी, मुकेश जी सॉरी, हमारे साथ जुड़े। माइक जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप हमारे साथ शुरुआत से लगे रहे, जुड़े रहे, और आपके संबल से, आपकी गाइडेंस से हम लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच पाए। आज ये मौका ऐसा है जब हमने आज फिर 6ठे संस्करण के IISF में साइंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल करके हमने वो रिकॉर्ड एंट्रीज प्राप्त करके ये एक और मील का पत्थर हासिल करने की कोशिश की है। उम्मीद है हम इसमें कहीं तक खरे उतरे होंगे। ये तो सब जो आम जनमानस जिन्होंने देखा वही उसको नाप सकते हैं, वही उसको माप सकते हैं, वही हमको बता सकते हैं कि हमें और आगे ज्यादा कैसे करना चाहिए। बहुत कुछ आज के इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम सब ने देखा, जानने की कोशिश करी, अपनी जिम्मेदारी जो आम जनमानस तक विज्ञान को पहुंचाने की, विज्ञान की चेतना की, विज्ञान के संचार की जो हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, उसको पूरा करने में हम जो और बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, उनमें से फिल्म फेस्टिवल एक तरीका है जिसको हम करते आ रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे। आज ये वैलिडिक्टरी सेशन है और जैसा रंजना जी कहा कि इस पे तमाम चीजें हमारे मन में होती हैं जो हम चाह के बोलना चाहते हैं। समय की कमी है, आप सब लोग बहुत, आपका सबका व्यस्ततम समय रहता है और हम सब आपको सुनने में ज्यादा उत्साहित हैं। पहले कई बार हम लोग अपनी अपनी बात कह चुके हैं। मेरे लिए ये जरूरी हो जाता है कि विज्ञान प्रसार की तरफ से मैं आपका स्वागत करूं और आप सबसे ये अपेक्षा करूं, एक्सपेक्टेशन है हमारी कि साहब आज जब आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं तो आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स और ये आपका सपोर्ट और आपका जो इतना वैल्यूएबल एक्सपीरियंस है, because we all know that despite there are schools of formal training and they have evolved over a period of time, but by virtue of experience that you've all gathered is beyond any imagination, beyond any excellence. So sir, आपको पुनः बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आपका इस कार्यक्रम में स्वागत। विज्ञान प्रसार, निमिष जी जो इस कार्यक्रम में शुरुआत से लगे रहे, जी तोड़ मेहनत की, वो भी इसके धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो अपनी रिपोर्ट में जो हमने कामयाबी हासिल करी है उसका एक छोटा सा लेखा जोखा आप तक पहुंचाएंगे। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं और उम्मीद करता हूं कि पुनः इस साइंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल से हम बहुत लोगों तक अपनी बात को पहुंचा पाए होंगे। विज्ञान के इस महोत्सव में जहां पे विज्ञान को साइंस ऑफ जॉय की तरह से हमने कोशिश करी, उसको पूरा करने में हम कामयाबी हासिल कर पाए होंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। आज गुड गवर्नेंस डे की आप सबको बधाई और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोग स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें, सकारात्मक रहें और हम फिर मिलेंगे इन पर्सन ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द पैंडेमिक। विद दिस, थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद और जय भारत।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। आपके मार्गदर्शन के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपके मार्गदर्शन के अंदर ही लगातार हर साल इस फेस्टिवल को हम और बेहतर और बड़ा बनाने की चेष्टा कर रहे हैं और हमारे जो प्रयास हैं वो सफल भी हो रहे हैं। और अब मेरा अनुरोध श्री निमिष कपूर जी से, जो धुरी रहे हैं इस पूरे फेस्टिवल के केंद्र रहे हैं और जिनकी मेहनत हमारे सामने है। निमिष जी, आई वुड लाइक यू टू शेयर अ ब्रीफ रिपोर्ट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया 2020 with all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Rima. रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट करने से पहले मैं यहाँ पर बात जो बताने को अपने आप से नहीं रोक पा रहा हूँ, मैं वो जरूर यहाँ बताना चाह रहा हूँ। आज से कुछ साल पहले मैंने एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ा था शेखर सर का और उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं जिस आदमी से भी मिलता हूँ उसका जो सकारात्मक चीजें हैं, जो पॉजिटिव चीजें हैं, उसको अपने अंदर ले लेता हूँ। सर, उस बात को मुझे लगता है कि 20 वर्षों से अधिक समय हो रहा होगा मुझे वो इंटरव्यू आपका मैंने जहाँ पढ़ा था जिस अखबार में, वो आज तक मैंने अपने जीवन की फिलॉसफी उसको बनाया और एक जो सकारात्मकता है, एक जो पॉजिटिविटी है, वो हमेशा सर मेरे साथ चल रही है, जिसके इंस्पिरेशन, सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन सर आप हैं। Sir, chief guest of award ceremony of International Science Film Festival of India, respected Shekhar Kapoor ji, jury chair and guest of honor Shri Mike Pandey ji, jury members, filmmakers, ladies and gentlemen, I feel happy to present the festival report in the presence of world-renowned legendary filmmakers, with the presence of Shekhar ji, Mike sir, and the message received from Amitabh Bachchan ji. This festival has got a big dimension and has become a global festival. ISFI aims to promote, strengthen, and create scientific temperament through films and popularize science, technology, energy, environment, medicine, agriculture, traditional knowledge, and emerging science. It gives a positive recognition to the initiatives of science communicators, filmmakers. The program honors science filmmakers' initiatives and outcomes generated by those initiatives at the national, international level. Science films, and especially science-based documentaries, seek to scientifically analyze and establish various aspects of real subject with appropriate research. In this, filmmakers try to effectively convey complex and esoteric scientific messages to the general public in a simple manner, reinforce learning ability, incorporate ideas and concepts, and also discuss the science and technology issues that are directly related to the society. I am pleased to inform that SFE received 634 films, science, environment, and health-related documentaries, animation films, and short films from 60 countries. 210 films were nominated for public screening and jury screening from 31 countries. A competition for Indian and international professional and student filmmakers was organized, where short films, documentary film, animation films of less than 35 minutes of length were invited on the two themes: Science for Self-Reliant India or Science for Global Welfare. And next theme was Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies. The festival was open for both national and international filmmakers. Competitive categories and awards of SFE. There were 3 awards in international category. Best of Festival Award on the theme Science for Self-Reliant or Science for Global Welfare, trophy and certificate. Best of Festival Award in the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies, trophy and certificate, and 2 jury awards. Similar themes were invited for awards in Indian national categories. Indian national category were divided into 2 subcategories: independent filmmakers, Indian national, and college school student, Indian nationals. And independent filmmakers, Indian national category, 3 awards were constituted. Best of Festival Award on the theme Science for Self-Reliant India or Science for Global Welfare, rupees 1 lakh cash, trophy and certificate. Best of Festival Award in the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies, rupees 1 lakh cash, trophy and certificate. 2 jury awards of rupees 50,000 cash, trophy and certificate each. College school student, Indian nationals category, also 3 awards were constituted. Best of Festival Award on the theme Science for Self-Reliant India or Science for Global Welfare, rupees 75,000 cash, trophy and certificate. Best of Festival Award on the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies, rupees 75,000 cash, trophy and certificate, and 2 jury awards of rupees 35,000 each, cash, trophy and certificate. SFE was started on 22nd November 2020, and from last 3 days, panel discussions, master classes, and workshops on science filmmaking were conducted by science filmmakers, science communicators from various countries, including Germany, Switzerland, Israel, Netherlands, UK, and other countries. Experts and content heads from Discovery South Asia, Deutsche Welle, Germany, Doordarshan, and other agencies participated in panel discussions, and 210 nominated films were screened, which were watched by thousands of film lovers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nimesh. Thank you so much. And now we are absolutely delighted to have with us a very special video message and wishes from Star of the Millennium, Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji, who has sent a very special message for the festival and the inaugural ceremony as well.
Namaskar, this is Amitabh Bachchan. We live in a society exquisitely dependent on science and technology, which is the basis for many of the solutions to our social problems. Science and technology are a propellant for building a thriving, self-reliant country. The happiness and future of the country hinges on this development. In a modern and innovative society where advancements are aplenty and communication is instantaneous, science and technology do become a large part of everyday life, and the key to both our longevity and our entire existence on this planet. This platform, therefore, created by concerned authorities, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the Ministry of Earth Science, in association with Vigyan Bharati, to encourage the progress and development of self-reliance and global welfare, is the need of the hour and truly commendable. I truly wish I could have been there with you to welcome and personally applaud all your budding participants and congratulate them for their keen interest in this field. Regrettably, medical restrictions prevent my being able to be there with you during this pandemic. My sincere prayers and best wishes for the success of this grand India International Science Festival. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
और ISFFI की तरफ से विशेष धन्यवाद श्री अमिताभ बच्चन को. और अलाउ मी टू रिसाइट दीज लाइंस श्री बच्चन के लिए. सितारे हैं फलक पर और भी आएंगे, ऐसी चमक कोई रख नहीं सकता. किरदार बनेंगे, नायक बनेंगे, पर महानायक कोई बन नहीं सकता. और एक और बहुत खास शख्सियत हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा की, जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा की परिभाषा बदल दी, who has taken Indian cinema and cinema actually in person to a different level globally, Shri Shekhar Kapur ji, our chief guest for today's award ceremony. Shri Shekhar Kapur ji, veteran filmmaker, president, Film and Television Institute of India, FTII Society, and chairman, governing council, FTII. I now request you, sir, kindly render your valedictory remarks. Shekhar, sir.
I'm not sure what valedictory remarks means, but I'll just say what I feel. I think, you know, when you equate science and filmmaking, there is something very common between the two. All of life is storytelling. All perception is storytelling. When I perceive the moon, I'm telling myself a story about the moon, otherwise I don't perceive it. If I perceive a book on, when Einstein perceived the theory of relativity, he understood it through a theory he found out, which in fact is a story of his story of relativity. So actually, science and storytelling has always gone together, and has always encouraged a scientific temper, but also a temper of curiosity. That's what stories do. They make you curious, they make you imaginative. So, I mean, I remember as a kid, I watched Steven Spielberg's film Jurassic Park, and I noticed all over the world, everybody suddenly got interested in dinosaurs. And that interest in dinosaurs grew up, and that has never left us. So there is a particular thing that films do, is they fire your imagination. Now, in this new world of what we call the OTT platforms, if you look at Netflix or if you look at Amazon, you realize that the number of documentaries that are being made is growing up. And these documentaries are very imaginative, and they fire your imagination. So I actually really congratulate all of you in taking this forward and remembering that documentaries and films on people of science or on scientific subjects are also very, very imaginative, and they can create a sense of imagination in those people that are actually watching them. And so not only give them knowledge, that is not the only reason that we make films or tell stories. The reason we make films and tell stories is to create and to fire the imagination of people, to make them curious. So when people watch, I know everybody keeps saying that Mr. India was the first science fiction film in India. Well, it wasn't based on science till that science was proven 40 years later. The idea that light could go through a man, actually what they proved, it could go around an object. So light can strike you and it can go around an object. And physicists discovered that because they looked into space and they found that there are some objects that they couldn't see, and realized that they bent light. So light just went around them and then came to us. So in a way, we predicted science. But film and science and film and technology has the ability to fire the imagination, especially of young filmmakers, of young people. Because when they look at a film and they understand it, then they are curious. And hopefully that curiosity will lead to a scientific temper to discover more. A scientific temper, sometimes people say, is boring. It's not boring at all. Because as long as a scientific temper is an adventure, it is an idea of being curious, of being in a sense of wonder. That's what films can do. They can make science and give it a sense of wonder and a sense of and fire the imagination of people. And so I think that we should encourage more and more films. The line between what we call a documentary and fiction is blurring anyway. When I go, for example, I said this right now, when I go to see Netflix or I see Amazon, I find 50% or 60% of them are actually documentaries, and they're fantastic documentaries, and they really fire my imagination. So I congratulate all of you. I congratulate all the participants of this festival, and I congratulate the people that have worked so hard to bring this festival together. And I'm just saying, yeah, do get me involved in this more. Science and storytelling to me are the same thing.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Looking forward to your guidance, your insights always. Thank you so much. It's wonderful to have you for this award ceremony. And now the moment we all have been waiting for, time to see the joy on happy faces and winning smiles. We had best of films to compete with a message that matters to the world. Firstly, let's have a look at the nominations for international category with the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare.
National category.
মাধ্যমিকে পরীক্ষা দেওয়ার পরে বন্ধুরা এখানে প্রায়শই আড্ডা মারতেন এবং ওই সময় থেকেই প্ল্যানটা আসে যে এত ভালো একটা জায়গা অক্সিজেন
and we can buy lands, all of these small fragmented parts.
Suffering from malnutrition. So based on this I prepared a code. So it had to have these parameters, like there's no modern facility there, so that
February 1930 at Mukkullan in Howrah in the state of West Bengal.
Which causes them to move deeper into the sea and also deeper in life, as like every human we tend to live larger. Fishes also have that knack.
Each school, be it private, government or state-run, can apply online for grants to establish a lab. There are specific and uniform criteria.
Consumption of arsenic-laced water, it leads to several health hazards, particularly skin lesions in the affected areas.
Of the globe. Largely wisdom-driven inventions transformed ancient civilizations into scientifically planned centers of excellence.
During and after the completion of cancer treatment, some patients all the time feel tired or tire more easily after doing their routine work.
In the Western Ghats and in the Eastern Himalaya. In the Western Ghats, we have been working largely in the Biligiri-Rangan Hill.
The atmosphere. Global warming has the potential to wreak havoc on the planet in the form of tsunamis and droughts.
Its impacts, which is disrupting economy and affecting lives of people and communities in Tamil Nadu. As a consequence of climate change-induced sea level rise,
मिथाइल आइसोसाइनेट गैस ने चंद घंटों में हजारों लोगों की जान ले ली और आज भी इस जहर का असर भोपाल की आबो हवा में देखा जा सकता है।
जब हम इन सब समस्याओं का समाधान तलाशते हैं तो भारतीय जीवन शैली में ही एक उम्मीद की किरण नजर आती है।
It is functional sweetener since 1970 because Japan is the first country in the world which approved stevia as a sweetener.
Since last 2012. Why I'm using ICT in classroom teaching? Because I feel the traditional methodology of teaching
ढलते सूरज की पुकार पर रात के अंधेरे से लड़ते दीपक की रोशनी का नाम है जनक।
they bear no tasty fruit. They grow on that marshy no man's land, bordering sea or river.
Ghats in the peninsular Indian lies the land Kerala. India is known for its umpteen temple towns, and Kerala is not much different.
मैं तो पंजों में ला रहा था, लेकिन सब बह गया।
सिंह बोंगा निराश हो गए। अब एक ही प्राणी बचा था।
तो जब डायलिसिस का टाइम आने वाला होता था या जिस दिन डायलिसिस होता है वो 4 घंटे के लिए होता है। एक ही जगह पे एक इंसान को आपके बॉडी में एक पॉइंट पे वो सुई जाती है, आपका ब्लड।
कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के साथ काफी सारी चीजों में बदलाव आया है। उसमें सबसे बड़ी जो चेंज है वो है हम सबकी डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी पे निर्भरता।
उस रात जब गैस का रिसाव शुरू हुआ तब सड़कों पर मची भगदड़ के बीच डॉक्टर NR भंडारी शहर के हमीदिया अस्पताल में
Emissions from fossil fuels have accelerated climate change.
India, our motherland.
Aging distribution network consists of various issues like corrosion, breakages and leakages in pipes. Failure in distribution network causes loss.
एक तरफ गर्मी की तपती दोपहर में सुकून भरे एसी, कूलर और पंखे की ठंडी हवा में आराम फरमाता शहर है, वहीं दूसरी ओर
Water, from where the journey of life began, is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and fluids of most living organisms. It is vital.
Plants as medicine, food, fodder, fuel, and various other purposes. Himalayas protect India.
Basking in the innocence of the cocooned world, these eyes weave 1,000 dreams.
മുരിങ്ങ ഒളൈഫറ എന്ന സസ്യനാമത്തിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്ന ഈ വൃക്ഷം
आला का चल त्या भालेकर मॅडम विचारत होत्या.
പാരമ്പര്യമായിട്ട് നെൽകൃഷിയാണ് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളത്. വയനാട്ടിൽ കുറച്ച് ഭാഗമായി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കൃഷിഭൂമിയൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ട്. നേരത്തെ ഉള്ളതാണ്, ഇപ്പോഴല്ല, നേരത്തെ.
दृष्टिहीन नहीं होते हैं, जैसे रंग धारणा, प्रकाश धारणा आदि.
Busiest metropolises in India. Just like other metropolises, the city is characterized by imperious high-rises.
Shakes into the ice creams, and this is added nutrition. So I think we should also popularize the planting of these bushes and also consuming these.
कभी कभी बहुत शर्म आती है कि हम लड़की क्यों बने और ये सब लड़कियों को क्यों झेलना पड़ता है.
हमारा बाप दादा ने गई दिया है, जेवा ये काम करे है वो हमें करे हैं. हमारे कोई भणतर आवतुं नहीं.
In Nilmat Purana and Bolor by Al-Biruni is situated in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir, designated as a wetland of international importance.
just saw the clippings, nomination clippings for national category of independent filmmakers, Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare. I now request our chief guest for the day, Shri Shekhar Kapoor ji, to kindly announce the award for Best Festival Award for national category of independent filmmakers in the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare, that carries 1 lakh rupees of cash, trophy and certificate.
Okay. The award for Science for Self-Reliant India and for Global Welfare goes to Trials and Triumphs of G.N. Ramachandran. And the director is Rahul Iyer, and the producer is Vivek Kannadi, and the Science and Media Center IISER, Pune. So congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Request to Mr. Sabyasachi to kindly play the clip.
Thank you, ISFFI.
You are truly one of the platform who would appreciate a film like ours.
Thanks to the faculty members of ISER Pune, like MS Madhusudan, who sparked this initiative.
And Harina Chakrapani for being the driving force for this film, along with Arna Mukherjee, who is our faculty coordinator.
And we would like to appreciate the senior scientists who eagerly agreed to feature and bring this incredible story of an iconic scientist to you.
And finally, our Science Media Center team, who worked tirelessly to complete this film.
Thank you. And now it's time that we look at the nomination clippings of national category for independent filmmakers for science and awareness on COVID-19 and other health emergencies.
बाहरी देश सारा व्यापार भारत से करते थे। व्यापार इतना हुआ कि हमारे ज्ञानी पंडितों का भी व्यापार।
Prime Minister Modi announces a 21-day nationwide lockdown to take on corona starting midnight tonight. All states, districts and villages to be under lockdown.
It was a disease that was waiting to unleash its wrath over the 130 crore population of India, spreading across the world. Coronavirus.
डॉक्टर्स ने शोध करना शुरू कर दिया, लेकिन भारत सहित पूरे विश्व के सामने कोरोना टेस्टिंग किट के आसान तरीकों को विकसित करना सबसे बड़ी चुनौती थी।
अगर टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आया तो सबका क्या होगा? माँ पापा को तो ये समाज वाले जीने नहीं देंगे। नहीं।
अब डर कर कहाँ भागोगे मूर्ख इंसानों? जरा सी सावधानी हटी और मुझे एंट्री मिली, और तुम नकली बुद्धिजीवी।
नाही, अरे पंपावरती आहे, आवर लवकर.
Muslims, Christians, Chinese and Sikhs, you have happily taken them all along and risen.
ഫീൽഡ് സ്റ്റാഫായിട്ടുള്ള ആശാ വർക്കർമാർ, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അംഗൻവാടി വർക്കർമാർ, ഹെൽപ്പർമാർ, വോളണ്ടിയർമാർ.
माझ्या मागे तुम्ही म्हणायची हा इयत्ता 4थी मधील गुळुकणी व्हावे ही कविता म्हणणार आहोत आणि माझ्या मागे तुम्ही तालासुराती म्हणायची. दरवाजे पर डाला ताला अंदर कैसे घुस पाएगा, अंदर ना जो आ पाया वो
COVID-19, an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered novel coronavirus. It was unknown to mankind.
On the exterior surface of the virus, with my feet anchored on the walls of the lipid membrane surface.
Need 10 to 12 beds, and then as we started getting into the COVID ICU, it became apparent that we all gonna had to stretch.
Respiratory virus is difficult to contain. The main important task was that how to check that entry to a substantial time, and that particular time was definitely a race against time.
In such a demanding situation, PGI MER has risen up to the challenge by setting up a dedicated COVID hospital. The newly constructed
And it's time now to announce Best of Festival Award for National Category of Independent Filmmakers in the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies. That carries rupees 1 lakh of cash, trophy and certificate. May I now request Shri Shekhar Kapoorji to do the honors.
There was some internet issue at Shekharji's laptop, so I request Mike sir to announce the award.
Okay. Award for the national category of independent filmmakers for science awareness on COVID-19 and other health emergencies goes to Raja Rani or Virus, directed by Seema Muralidhara, produced by Beacon Television, for effective communication in sensitizing and generating awareness against the pandemic. Congratulations.
इस पैंडेमिक ने हमें अपने काम से दूर कर दिया है, लेकिन एज दे से द शो मस्ट गो ऑन. तो ये गाना राजा रानी और वायरस एक पैंडेमिक स्पेशल है, खास तौर से बच्चों के लिए, जिसमें हमने ना तो शूटिंग की, हमने सिर्फ अपने होम स्टूडियो पर कुछ एनिमेशंस खुद ही किए, ये गाना लिखा और बच्चों से कहा कि अपने सेलफोन्स पर थोड़े वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करो, एंड दिस इज़ द रिजल्ट. थैंक यू ISFF for this wonderful appreciation and award for this song.
And that's what Science Film Festival of India is all about, to connect human life with science in easier way. I now request Sri Mike Pandey to announce our next set of 4 jury awards that carries rupees 25,000 of cash, trophy and certificate each.
The jury awards, the first one goes to Return of the Holy Grain, directed and produced by J.S. Unnikrishnan Nair. The award is awarded for innovation and a compelling presentation sharing the national nutritional values of millet and for reviving India's traditional food grain, now being adopted across the world.
Namaskar. It is a matter of great happiness and pride that my film, Return of the Holy Grain,
has been selected for an award in the India International Science Film Festival 2020. I am very thankful to the organizers of India International Science Festival 2020, Vikyan Prasad, and the eminent jury for awarding this film. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
The second award is for the film Worth Their Salt, directed by Seema Muralidhara and S.B. Muralidhara, produced by Vigyan Prasad. The award is for unfolding the world of salt production, challenges faced by the communities, and upcoming scientific research.
Namaste. It's an absolute honor and privilege to be here to receive the award for Worth Their Salt, our documentary on the salt production technologies. Thank you, ISFF. Thank you, scientists, and thank you, salt workers.
The third jury award goes to the film Humans vs. Coronas, directed and produced by Anshul Sinha, for a practical and clear message: stay home, stay safe.
Namaste. It's a great honor to receive this prestigious national level award. I sincerely thank the International Science Film Festival of India and the Ministry of Science and Technology for recognizing my work. I would also thanks to my parents who believed in me. Once again, thank you International Science Film Festival of India for this prestigious national level award. Thank you very much.
The fourth jury award is for the film My Mom, directed by Rakesh Murugantham and produced by Dark Room Studios, for a sensitive depiction of the challenges and turmoil of a frontline health worker who is also a mother.
Hello, this is Rakesh Murugantham from Manipur, Northeast India. Thank you so much to all the jury members and organizers of International Science Film Festival of India 2020. I hope everyone has been doing well during this hard time. I made this short film in hope that I would like to contribute in giving the awareness during this pandemic, and I am pleased to hear that I have accomplished the same. Thank you and stay safe.
हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने पेंडेमिक की शुरुआत में, कोविड-19 के आउटब्रेक की शुरुआत में संदेश में कहा था कि किस तरह से आप आपदा को अवसर में बदल सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट इंटरनेशनल साइंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हैज ट्राइड टू डू. और तमाम फिल्म मेकर जिन्होंने इस चुनौतीपूर्ण विषय पर बेहतरीन फिल्में बनाई हैं. And now it's time that we look at the set of nomination clippings for national category of school, colleges, films by our students for the themes Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare.
वहीं बिहार की राजधानी पटना से 70 किलोमीटर दूर जहानाबाद जिले का धरनाई गांव एक नया उदाहरण पेश कर रहा है.
The dinosaurs were the biggest beasts ever to storm the earth, but it were the tiniest frogs that survived the extinction and filled the ecological crater.
दुनिया में लगभग 190 मिलियन ऊंट पाए जाते हैं और अधिकतम आबादी सोमालिया में है. ऊंट एक परिवार की तरह रहता है. ऊंट ने प्राचीन समय से आज
Intelligent design of computer software helps in plugging the loopholes of the system to make it corruption free. At the heart of the system lies digital.
लड़कियों के ऊपर लगाए गए पाबंदियों के पीछे तो कोई साइंटिफिक रीजन भी नहीं है.
अचार या पापड़ का खराब हो जाना, पौधे का सूख जाना, तो केवल
victim's safety, you will be notified about it at once. Also, if halting to a side is not possible, you can simply choose to go through another suggested route.
For plant life. Many auspicious occasions in India begin with light, where diyas and lanterns spread light.
Why it is left out? It is due to the use of new type of cutting machines which can only cut the crop from 6 to 10 inches above the surface.
World's greatest problem.
ये 3 प्रकार के उत्तोलक होते हैं, ठीक है। इन 3 प्रकार के उत्तोलक को हम
inhabitants are electrified by mini grids in Chhattisgarh. Sagar Islands in the Sundarbans, for instance, has had a solar mini grid since 1996, but other
And it's time to announce the awards for Best of Festival Award for National Category of School College Students in the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare. The award is shared jointly by 2 films with 37,500 rupees of cash, trophy and certificate each. And now I request Dr. Mukesh to kindly do the honors and announce the awards.
Sir, please unmute your microphone.
Yeah, Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare. The Best Festival Award for National Category of School College Student in the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science Global Welfare. The award is shared jointly by 2 films with rupees 37,500 cash, trophy certificates. The first film is Croaking Frogs, directed and produced by Aditya. And the citation says that it's a thought-provoking film focusing on the extinction of frogs, crucial stabilizers of the aquatic system all over the world, critically endangered in most places. Congratulations both to the producer and the director. And the second film is The Catching Sun.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. We would like to thank all the organizers who organized this event, even in such hard times.
And the name of our film is Croaking Frogs. So croaking is actually a sound that a frog makes, and croaking is also another verb for death. So it literally means that frogs all around us are dying because of human activities. So I would like to thank the organizers and this festival for bringing this to the attention of the public and giving it the attention that it actually deserves. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. So, and the next film which has shared the award is Catching the Sun. It's directed by Rahul Kumar and produced by Nilambar Pathak and Karunesh Singh. The citation says the award has been given for effectively communicating and opening the world of renewable energy, eco-friendly and non-polluting alternate energy will pave the way for the future. Congratulations to both of you.
इंटरनेशनल साइंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल का शुक्रिया, सभी आयोजकों सहित जीडी मेंबर एवं निमिष कपूर सर का शुक्रिया। इस इवेंट में हिस्सा लेने वाले सभी प्रतिभागियों एवं दर्शकों का शुक्रिया। सौर ऊर्जा के संरक्षण पर आधारित भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनने का रास्ता दिखाने वाली यह फिल्म को आप सभी ने सराहा एवं सम्मानित किया। इसके लिए आप सभी का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Okay. You want me to continue, Reena, or you want me to hold on?
So thank you so
Okay.
much. We'll definitely need you for the next category after this. So you just saw that right at the time of inception in their foundation years, their efforts are recognized by International Science Film Festival of India. And now it's time that we look at the nomination clipping of national category of school college students on the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies.
Jao.
It's receive infrared light from one object into a thermopile. The thermopile absorb the infrared radiation and change into heat.
स्कूल जाना, दोस्तों से मिलना, खेलना जुलना सब कुछ बंद हो गया है। हमारे देश के डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और
मुश्किल के पार जाना ही जीवन दर्शन है। जरूरत उस चेतना की होती है जो संघर्ष का हौसला दे, सही राह दिखा दे। इसी
विज्ञान रोज नए नए वादे करता है। हम नई ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचते हैं, फिर ऐसा क्या होता है कि हम कहीं चूक जाते हैं और एक
Welcome to Time Zone.
अभी बंद रहेगी आज से केवल इमरजेंसी सेवाओं से
Of the lockdown has been announced by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So from May 4th onwards, 2 more weeks.
Having a sensitive throat and being part of this paranoid populace that insists that drinking warm water or some kind of kadha is the key to keeping your immunity up.
The world has changed. The way the people live has changed. Now we understand the feeling of each animal behind those bars of the zoo.
Be smart and inform yourself about the hashtag coronavirus. Follow the accurate public health advice from WHO and your local health authorities.
ये क्या कर रही हो मम्मी? कचरा है, बाहर फेंक रही हूँ। घर में डस्टबिन होने के बावजूद भी तुम कचरा बाहर फेंक रही हो। छोटा
Now I request Ms. Usha Bhasin to kindly announce the awards for Best of Festival Award of National Category of School College Students in the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies with rupees 75,000 cash, trophy and a certificate.
It's a pleasure to say that the winning film is Can Break Cancer, directed and produced by Neelu Sharma. Because it's an inspiring and a motivational film to address the challenges faced by the cancer patients.
I'm extremely thankful to all the organizers of International Science Film Festival of India 2020 for giving a student like me an opportunity to be a part of this amazing festival, see wonderful content, amazing masterclasses. I'm extremely thankful. I extend my thanks and gratitude to my research supervisor, Professor Govindji Pandey, my department and my university, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, my teammates, and most importantly, all those cancer survivors who happily agreed to be a part of my film. Thank you.
Ma'am, I request to kindly announce next two jury awards as well.
Yes, the jury award first is to film Mask, directed and produced by Santu Kumar, for showcasing the determination and courage to overcome pandemic and taking the initiative to adapt to changes and explore new livelihood opportunities. The second jury award is for film Corona at Doorstep.
Ma'am, it's time to hear the winners.
Hello, this is Amit Raj. We are very happy to win this award at India's biggest event, International Science Film Festival of India. I would like to thank organizers, jury members that you think we deserve this award. Lastly, thanks to Kilkari Bihar Bal Bhavan, where I learning theatre and filmmaking. My crew members. Without crew members, I didn't make this film. This award dedicated to my mother. A big thanks to all of you in this little journey.
Thank you. The next award, a jury award?
Yes, ma'am.
It's Corona at Doorstep, directed by Maumita Majumdar and produced by Raghul MR. It's a well-executed animation film, scientific with engaging storytelling.
I am Maumita.
Hi, I am Rahul.
Thank you so much for this incredible award.
We thank the jury members for selecting the film and also the organizers of ISF and all the organizers and supporters of this event, International Science Film Festival of India. We also thank our institution, CSIR NISCAN.
This award increases our self-confidence and the urges to do further work. We would also like to thank Mr. Majnur Rahman, who introduced us to this amazing world of science film production. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I invite Professor Danish Iqbal to please announce our award for a National Independent Filmmaker, Jury Special Mention Award with trophy and certificate.
Yes, Jury Special Mention Award, trophy and certificate goes to film If Everybody Be Like This, directed and produced by N. Rajkumar. And this award goes to this film for reinventing traditional farming and focusing on this, an experienced farmer sharing with children the traditional natural farming techniques. It is an inspirational path towards the future organic forms. Congratulations. Yes.
Thank you. Okay. And now I request Ms. Monica Gulati, jury member, ISFFI 2020, to please announce our Jury Special Mention Award with a trophy and certificate.
Yeah, I'm very delighted to announce the award goes to film Mangroves, Nature's Hardy Foot Soldiers, directed by Sajid Nadu Thodi, produced by EMMR Calicut on conservation. And I would like to add that
My documentary has won many national and international awards, but this award is a huge achievement and great honor for me. In International Science Film Festival of India is such a big platform for a filmmaker. This documentary is made from EMRC University of Calicut. There is another aspect of happiness is that the documentary made from a government department won this prestigious award. Thank you very much.
Monica, you were saying something before we started listening in to our winner. You can continue, please.
Yeah, I was saying that last year I also got this. I had made a documentary on mangroves of island of Pichavaram in Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, and Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union 2019 gave this thing, the Coastal Frontiers, I had named it, and it got awarded by them. and it bagged the first prize in climate change category.
Oh,
So I'm very delighted to announce this on Mangroves again. That's
Certainly.
it. Thank you.
Certainly. Wonderful. Congratulations, ma'am, on your achievement as well. Thank you so much. And for the next award, I now invite Dr. Shobhana Chaudhary, our jury member for ISFFI 2020, to please announce our next award, Jury Special Mention Award with trophy and certificate.
Thanks, Ms. Reema. The next award is for the Charuvalaya Raman Effect. It's a Malayalam film. G.S. Unnikrishnan Nair. And congratulations, Mr. Nair.
Namaskar. I feel very happy that the film, The Charuvalaya Raman Effect, has been selected for award. The India International Science Film Festival 2020. It is a matter of great pride to me. I am very thankful to the organizers of India International Science Festival 2020, Vigyan Prasar, as well as the jury members for awarding this film. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you. And now we move forward to our next category, screening of nomination clippings of international category on the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare. So can we please have the nomination clippings?
My name is Natasha Allison. This is a story about how we can use maths to understand more about nature, to try and help endangered species.
A ver si te acuerdas, tienes que hacer la lista de compra y tienes que acordarte lo que hay que hacer. No, yo no tú. Tú. A ver, te he dicho lo que hacía falta. ¿Qué hacía falta? A ver.
You assault our batteries. Battery and assault. You blame technology, but it's really your fault.
The remaining 20% reaches the sea through boats and generalized distractions.
Research into insects is in its infancy. Some studies have been made, but there are no comprehensive figures on insect decline.
How are you?
Doing good. I've basically stayed in my house for the last 3-4 months now.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Now I again request our Honorable Jury Chair, Shri Mike Pandey, to announce Best of Festival Award in the theme Science for Self-Reliant India and Science for Global Welfare International category with trophy and certificate.
The Best of Festival Award in this category goes to The Insect Rescuers from Germany, directed by Andreas Wells and produced by ZDF, for sensitively handling. A film that explores the little-known world of insects and the service insects provide to all life on Earth, especially food security.
I asked my father if I can do this video because I love India so much. My name is Leander Ewels and I'm the child of the filmmaker Andreas Ewels, who made the film Insects insect rescuers. And I'm so proud of my father because he won this award. And I say thank you to all of you in India. Bye-bye and stay safe.
That was nice and sweet as well. And now we move on to our next category. And I would like to play the nomination clippings for our international category with the theme Science and Awareness on COVID-19 and Other Health Emergencies.
A ansiedade é uma coisa onde nós nos sentimos muito sozinhos e muito incompreendidos.
Acima de tudo, é um estado.
Insomma, preferirei stare alla larga da lei, ma...
Io no. Io sto benissimo in mezzo a voi. Siete così accoglienti.
Symptoms of coronavirus to look out for are a continuous dry cough and/or fever.
And while we focus on the impact here at home, the death toll in the UK.
חצי שעה לפני המועד המתוכנן. נוסעים יקרים, תשומת לבכם, זו הודעה מטעם רשויות הבריאות בישראל. עם חזרתכם לארץ עליכם להיכנס ל-14 ימי בידוד.
توی گوشه یه بخشی ساعت 4
ماوەیەکە دوکان و بازار داخراوە نەخۆشین یەکاتە لەژن مناڵ نایگرێ
mehr gelesen, weil ich mehr Zeit zum Lesen hatte. Ich hatte einfach viel mehr Freizeit. Einfach ein bisschen ruhiger geworden, abends nicht mehr so oft rausgegangen, in den Park ausgewichen.
Sich natürlich mit den Kindern.
Alejandra Sier. People call me Alex, and I am graphic designer. I am located in Sydney, Australia.
I am officially declaring a national emergency.
I've never seen anything like it. So I'm about 3.5 months into quarantine.
E desde então, tenho uma quarentena nos meus dias.
Mudou tudo desde aquele dia.
Мы все равны, невзирая на цвет кожи, язык, привычки, достаток.
بالبرون شو الكتاب ونسقس الشغل أوصله شنو واحد الموضوع نجي
Now I request Dr. Mukesh Sharma, our jury member, to kindly announce the award.
Please unmute.
One second, I'm always careful. Okay, in this category, the award goes to the film Night Nurse, and the country of origin is Islamic Republic of Iran, directed by Akshan Hatmi and produced by Hassan Rahmani. The citation says, a deeply engaging and thought-provoking film bringing to light the vulnerability and life-threatening experiences of frontline health workers and their families.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to receive this award. I truly appreciate the organizer of India International Science Film Festival. I wish coronavirus come to an end as soon as possible. Thank you everyone, stay healthy, bye.
Now I request Ms. Usha Bhasin, our jury member, to announce our next award for this category.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
I'm delighted to announce the jury award, Proficiency Certificate, in this category for A Natural Code, country of origin in United Kingdom, directed and produced by Christina Huska. Citation says that the award is being given for exploring the fascinating patterns and design in nature and how they could transform life all around us, especially conservation of endangered species.
My name is Chris. I'm the filmmaker from A Natural Code. Wow, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for this award. It's been a real privilege. Thank you for the organizers for creating this amazing International Science Film Festival of India. It's an amazing platform, and I hope everyone and all the films, and mine as well, will get to inspire others to get more into science communication and conservation. Now is the perfect time to help Earth. So just go out there and get inspired. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations to our winners. And now I request Shri Himanshu Malhotra, respected jury member, International Science Film Festival of India, to kindly announce our next award for this category, Jury Award with Trophy and Certificate.
Well, the award goes to Irony from Australia and directed by Radhe Jagnathan Jagtheva. And the citation goes as portraying a rapid changing world where human dependency on technology could lead to a new emerging challenges.
Hi everyone, my name is Hridaya Jigadeva, and I just want to say a huge thank you for this award for my film Irony. I'm so incredibly honored to be receiving this award, and I want to say a huge thank you to everyone involved in the International Science Film Festival of India for making this possible and for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Festivals like these are so important, and I'm just so honored to be a part of it. So thank you very much.
And now I request Dr. Sunil Mehru to kindly announce our next jury award. Dr. Sunil Mehru.
Namaskar. The jury award with trophy and certificate goes to Keep Your Smile, directed and produced by Hassan Mokhtar, Iran. Congratulations, heartily congratulations. For an effective message, safety first, wear the mask and keep smiling. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I hope this message finds you really well and all those around you. I'm Hassan Mokhtar, independent film director from Iran. My short films, that name Keep Your Smile and Glove, has been selected in Science International Film Festival in India this year. My special thanks to jury, and I really appreciate it. My film is 1 minute about the COVID-19, and I hope all of you, after going through the COVID-19 pandemic era, you can continue to make films more powerful and better than before. My best regards to you and good luck.
So you enjoy your winning smiles, and we all are keeping our smiles and thanks to this virtual platform that we don't have to wear masks and to flaunt our smiles openly. And now I request Ms. Akanksha Damini Joshi ji, jury member for ISFFI, to kindly announce our next jury special mention award with trophy and certificate. We have with us Ms. Akanksha Damini Joshi ji.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, just wanted to check the voice. Thank you. So the film that is getting a jury special mention award, a trophy certificate, is Chemical Industries versus COVID-19 from Italy, directed and produced by, just one second, directed and produced by Vittorio Caritozzolo and Class 3A. The film is being given for an award for an engaging perspective on the pandemic. Congratulations.
Okay, and now it's time to invite our guest of honor and jury chair for International Science Film Festival of India 2020, Shri Mike Pandey, veteran filmmaker and environmentalist, iconic Indian filmmaker on nature and science, and winner of 3 Green Oscars, to kindly render your concluding remarks. Shri Mike Pandey.
Well, what an engaging week this has been, full of action and some very beautiful, thought-provoking films. And I think the jury worked very hard, and I must thank every one of you for your inputs and for your commitment and dedication and unfaltering points of view, which made it possible for us to select from this huge number of films that deserve to be honored. And today, India stands on the threshold of really creating a record. We are one of the biggest, not only in Asia, I think anywhere else in the world, a science film festival that is drawing entries from all across the world. And it is gathering attention. And I was very glad to see the international categories also received awards, deserving films, shared platforms as well. And that is the way to go. I think we have been through very, very tough times. COVID has really brought us all to our knees, the whole world. And solutions have to be found out. Practical, effective solutions that put back and restore the planet we call Earth. And that solution, I'm very confident, will come from science, from technology, from application, and from motivating people, youngsters, and inspiring young people to take up and spread the message. And the message will come from the medium that we are speaking on, from television, from the visual formats that we know so well. So education of future, if I may not be wrong in saying, will come from our television, mobiles or iPads or tablets. And people like you will be needed. And what better than stalwarts like you to nurture the next generation? The International Science Film Festival is a platform which has given us all this opportunity to put our house in order. And I must thank, okay, budgets are restricted. And I think after seeing this festival, the policymakers and the people in power will consider giving enough elbow room so that we have enough money to make valuable documentation, tools of education, of building capacities, of empowering people to take action wherever they are, because what 1.3 billion people, you can't reach them in one day or 6 months or 1 year. But through television, through the visual medium, we can be there in seconds. Therefore, the responsibility of making this educational tool becomes even more pertinent. And I think education is key. If we want change, then we have to educate our people. There's no magical switches. And to do that in the quickest time possible are through festivals like these, which draw the people, filmmakers who make their content, and you sit down and inspire them to make more. That's why the number of the jury was very generous, and I think I think, gave a lot of assistance to other filmmakers so that they could share awards as well. The more, the merrier. And that took us through a cross-section of amazing films. And it was inspiring to see how in a village, a person is going into making masks, taking an initiative and, you know, addressing his livelihood, because things are changing forever. Our world has changed forever. It'll never be the same again. And if a new world is emerging, every single one of you will be a constructor, a maker of that new world. New values, capitalism, consumerism will have to go aside, because COVID has taught us that we can do without so many things that was superfluous, but we were taught, thanks to the advertising and through massive programming by commercials, that buying and casting away is the solution. No, it's not. So if you're going through a new world, a transition, who's going to light the guidelines? How will it reach people? Through you, through powerful films that you will make, that will reach people and transform our future generation, our future, not only of India, but all over the world. Today we are witnessing films, you know, very powerful films from Iran that touch the mind and the heart. You need to make engaging content that affects people and they don't forget as long as they live. And only then will they translate it, pass it on through others. I mean, the network is an example of how what you want reaches. It reached Shekhar within seconds. I'm sorry, but his Wi-Fi broke down. But the amount of experience he has, and he is beginning to get into scientific films. I've heard him discuss and talk about making science fiction. And his involvement with this festival, I think, is a great step. And I must compliment and congratulate Nakul Parashar and Nimish, of course, who has been working heart and head into this festival from being an agent of change. I will not only call you filmmakers or media people, I'll call you change makers of the future. You carry the acumen and the strength to lay the foundations of what is going to be the future of this country, of the world. And from you must emerge motivation, power, encouragement. Everybody is not a perfect filmmaker. People like you will mentor them. People like us, you will be giving the most precious thing you have, your time. And that's what the planet needs. That's what your mother needs. Your mother of all mothers, the earth needs. Because believe me, we have fractured the planet through our ignorance, through our greed. And the time has come to pick up the shovel and start rebuilding, restoring the plunder that we have carried out in our greed and in our ignorance. You will be making the new citizens of this planet that we call home. And you may say, oh, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ, क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं तो एक बूंद हूँ. But बूंद बूंद से ही सागर बन गया इतना बड़ा. The sagar is nothing, the ocean is nothing but trillions and trillions of drops together. You need only a spark to ignite the world, to ignite a fire, a volcano. And you, let me believe, really say sincerely, the type of, I've been observing all of you quietly, and you all are the sparks. You carry the energy. Every single one of you has the potential to transform. And we need to take that step, hold hands with Vigyan Prasar, with Nakul Parashar and Nimish, and ask for that satellite channel, that channel. Science matters to all of us, because only science and technology will give us the answer for the future, the solutions for the future. From the Stone Age, today we have evolved to firing rockets to Mars, reaching out. That has come through scientific tempo. Our scientists, earlier there was a discussion and we talked about specific category. I think Usha was saying that about Indian science. Why should we know just European science and the science that's thrown at us? We have had some of the best scientists in the world. Why aren't we hearing about them? And it's the truth. You cannot find enough data or material about our own scientists, our surgeons, our healers, people who talked about the distances of space. Much before Galileo, who woke up 500 years ago and is put immediately in prison, who said the world is round. Our books, scriptures, our storehouse of knowledge and wisdom makes us one of the oldest civilizations on this planet, who were custodians of knowledge, today lost in time, because we need leadership. We need people who will collect them, put them together, collate them, and bring out powerful products and tell people, look, this is what Jagdish Chandra Bose was. This is what Ramchandran was. We talk about human particles. We are involved in that. But if we don't talk about our heroes, no foreign country will talk about. They will brush them under the carpet. You know, unless you can imagine of some very sweet dish that you've eaten, you cannot recall it. You have to give it a name. I just want to ask you one question. How did prehistoric man know about a thing called Viman? Why did we need a German to tell us, oh, I quoted from Gita when the atomic explosion took place, that it shone like a million suns. Content making is in your hand. Your ideas must come to fruition. You have to bring it, present it, and if a science channel is open, science is nothing, it's just what you think. If you imagine something, then it becomes a reality. You must dream for dreams to become a reality. Otherwise, I mean, you can sit home and do nothing. What's the difference between you and a carrot? We're the only species on this planet that has the skill to transform and analyze information. Gray cloud means rains or whatever, and the wind blowing it down. No animal can do that. Then when are we going to apply? When are we going to use it? And unfortunately or fortunately, you are the soldiers that have fallen in the slot where you have to work your heart and mind out to transform humanity. Never underestimate your strength. One small action, one small film from you can change the mindset. Everybody remembers mom and also the night nurse because it touches your heart and your mind. You'll carry the image many times when you think of COVID. Similarly, your programming should be engaging. And I have a request especially to policymakers, to DST, to Ashutosh Sharmaji, Nakul Parashar, Nimish. Please try and look at the filmmaker as a teacher, as a scientist, as a person who's giving an important part of his life, making powerful content to empower, build capacities, and educate our people. India still lags behind. We need education. It will come from all of you, and scientific education now, because the time of ABCD is gone. Actual ground level changes will come only when these are applied to. When your knowledge comes into application. And if you work with scientists and you work with experts, they're not filmmakers. They'll give you the content. You have to, it's like atta. You mix it, make a pizza, or you make a chapati or a paratha, whatever. They will support you. And always remain closer to the truth. Don't try to dramatize. A weak film needs razzmatazz. A powerful film stands on its own feet and becomes a document which will go in the archives for people to refer to. So when you're making and dabbling with science, they should reflect the passage of time of what we are going through and how you sharing with others, millions of people. Doordarshan public broadcaster is the biggest television network in the world, reaching 800 million people and 35 countries with footprints. when Earth Matters was running, it used to reach 800 million people. We used to get 3,000 to 4,000 letters at the weekend, and to make it engaging, so that because nature and Janwar Shanwar are drab and nobody wants to know it. Towards the end, to attract the youth, I had a quiz program, and certificates were given saying thank you if you answered, and 20 t-shirts were given, Earth Matters to me. And Doordarshan, it went on for 18 years because it was so popular. So when you make your content for the future, you have to think now in your mind at the multi-layered audiences that you're addressing, how to put a smattering of something that will influence as policymakers, or how it will attract the attention of the youngster. The idea is making a delicious dish at home, enough for the child to eat. So you add your little bits and things like that to make it palatable and tastier. So the filmmakers will have to adapt and change to the changing audiences and the need, because everybody wants to go and see action and all those heroes and Bollywood dances. But even Bollywood is changing. It's bringing in content. And you know, if you write your ideas, and my request to all the policy, to the jury members is that please put your views. How can you contribute on a piece of paper? And Nimish should take it, hold meetings with all of you. It's not just, oh, we have met, an event is over, goodbye. No. This festival, really especially, has sown a seed. I'm very happy to see the very versatile and very knowledgeable, wise jury members that we have together, who think and who act, practical people. And your thoughts will go a long way in forming what is a foundation for the next step towards this festival.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I mean, हमने आपको master classes में सुना, panels में सुना, but I think we can hear you on and on always. Your every word matters to us. Thank you so much. And now it's time that I request Shri Nimish Kapoor ji to kindly render his vote of thanks.
Thanks, Rima. And before vote of thanks, I would just like to share one or 2 points to all the filmmakers that jury did the best job, and it is very difficult, challenging task, and in fact it is daunting task to judge the film. A creative piece, after your hard work and all. So ये बहुत कठिन है, बहुत मेहनत से आप फिल्में बनाते हैं. So what any festival, jury decisions are based on the festival theme and the specification, terms and conditions, also lot of parameters. So we have to honor all the jury decisions, all the awardees, and its festival may official selection is official selection of any film in any festival is a big honor. So you please celebrate, appreciate, and be happy. So it's an honor to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion on behalf of organizers of International Science Film Festival of India 2020. I would like to thank Shekhar Kapoor ji, Mike Pandey ji, and we are feeling honored in your kind presence. My sincere thanks and gratitude to Amitabh Bachchan ji, and we all were inspired with his message. Jury members, Dr. Mukesh Sharma, Professor Danish Iqbal, Ms. Usha Bhasin, Shri Himanshu Malhotra ji, Dr. Sunil Mehru, Ms. Monica Gulati, Ms. Akansha Damini Joshi, Dr. Shobhana Chaudhary, most valued science filmmakers across the globe for support, blessings, and having taken time out of your busy schedule and be amongst us today. Sirs, madams, we do truly feel inspired on the occasion, and we hope to achieve greater heights in future, and we'll try our best to promote, to establish science film culture, to promote public understanding of science, to reach out science from lab to the masses in simpler, common language with audiovisual. This is the best medium, and we'll explore best possible ways with your support, guidance, and blessings. Congratulations to all awardees, winners. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Ranjana Agrawal ji, Director, CSIR NISTATS, and the Chief Organizer of the IISF, Dr. Nakul Parashar ji, Director Vigyan Prasar, Shri Indrajit Singh ji, Registrar Vigyan Prasar. Without their support and guidance, this event would not have been a success. My sincere thanks to all my colleagues from Vigyan Prasar, CSIR, NISCARE, NISTATS, organizing committee members of various committees of IISF and ISFFI, film festival coordinators, Dr. Parmanand Barman, Professor Abhay Bhamaikar, Dr. Chitra, and our core team members, festival managers, Mr. Sabyasachi Bharti, Ms. Chavi Bhatnagar, and our assistant, Mr. Chandan, for their continuous hard work of many days and nights to make the event successful. Finally, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here today. And it's an honor to have you as our guest and partnering to achieve goal of the International Science Film Festival of India to engage citizens with science in ways that and inspirational and empowering. With the global participation of 634 science film entries from 60 countries, the trust showed by the filmmakers across the globe in International Science Film Festival of India with the aims to promote public understanding of science through film media and inculcating scientific temper, we hope that India will set standards in self-reliance and global welfare in times to come.
Ameen.
Thanks once again. Jai Hind.
Jai.
Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you. I would like to Dr. Nakul Parashar ji, if you would give some remarks.
Yeah, we look forward to that.
नहीं, सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये कि हम सब एक साथ मिलने का ये मौका मिलता है। उम्मीद ये है कि हम सब फिर से एक बार दोबारा इन पर्सन मिलें और रूबरू हो सकें और साथ में मिलके इस जश्न को और आगे बढ़ाएं। ये ज़रूरी है कि हम, जैसा डॉक्टर मुकेश जी ने बहुत अच्छा कहा था, कि लगातार साल भर अगर हम इस तरह के वर्कशॉप्स तमाम करते रहेंगे, एक प्रॉपर करिकुलम जो हम इवॉल्व कर पाएंगे, ईजाद कर पाएंगे। डॉक्टर दानिश जी का काफ़ी लंबा अरसे तक एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, बहुत कुछ इन्होंने किया है और इस पूरे प्रकरण में जहाँ मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, उषा जी हैं हमारे साथ, आकांक्षा जी हैं, माई जी तो हैं ही, हिमांशु जी हैं, और आप सबका जो सहयोग मिला और जिस तरह से आपने जिस शिद्दत के साथ निमिष जी के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के इस फेस्टिवल को कामयाब किया, उस सब की तहे दिल से मैं आप लोगों को शुक्रिया अदा तो करूँगा ही, पर उससे ज़्यादा मेरी ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि अब आपको जितना ज़्यादा हम अपने विज्ञान प्रसार के जितने भी तमाम प्रोग्राम हैं उनके अंदर आपकी शिरकत हो, उसमें जितनी ज़्यादा आपके एक्सपीरियंस को, आपके जो अनुभव है उसका हम लाभ ले सके और लोगों तक जो पहुंचने की हमारी कोशिश है वो पहुंचे। और अभी भी मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, मैं एक माफ़ कीजिएगा, आप लोग सब अपने इस क्षेत्र में दानिशमंद हैं और बहुत आगे हैं हमसे, मेरी बस यही मेरा जो मानना है कि अभी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है और हमें उस स्तर तक पहुंचने के लिए आपकी आशीर्वाद और आपके लगातार सहयोग की आवश्यकता होगी। आप जिस पैनी नज़र से और जिस अच्छे तरीके से आप इस सबको विजुअलाइज करते हैं, आप लोगों के साथ जुड़े, आपने उनके अनुभव को जाना है, समझा है और उसके हिसाब से आज की जो हमारी ज़रूरत हैं फिल्म की लोगों तक, उसको हमें ठीक करना है। एक टाइम था जब हम सब डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज़ को देखा, उन सब से हमने प्रेरित हुए, बढ़े, पर अब लोगों की मांग, लोगों का अटेंशन पीरियड, तमाम चीज़ों के बारे में बातें होती हैं, उसको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए अगर हम अपनी जितनी भी तमाम फिल्में बनाने के तरीके हैं, अगर उसमें उनको हम शरीक कर सकें, उनमें उनको यूज़ कर सकें, तो मेरे ख्याल से हम काफ़ी कुछ कर पाएंगे। और अब ज़रूरत ये भी है कि हम थोड़ा सा नेशनल बाउंड्रीज से भी बाहर निकल के जो और लोग हैं, खासकर जो आसपास की कंट्रीज़ हैं, उनके बहुत सारे बडिंग लोग हैं जो साइंस में बहुत अच्छी कैप्चर कर सकते हैं और कई बार अनायास बहुत नेचुरल तरीके से बहुत कुछ कवरेज हमको मिल जाता है जिसको हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। तब आइडियाज़ बहुत हैं, ख्याल बहुत हैं, ना उम्मीदें बहुत हैं, मन में जज्बा बहुत है, बहुत कुछ करने की इच्छा है। वक्त जितना भी हमारे पास है, हालात जैसे भी हैं, उसके अंदर बॉल को किस तरह से मियांडर करके गोल में दागना है, वो आप लोगों से और अच्छा कौन जान सकता है। हम तो बाहर से बैठ के देखने वाले लोगों में से हैं। आप लोग सारे पेले हैं, आप लोग सारे मैराडोना हैं। तो आपकी, मुझे तो विज्ञान प्रसार की तरफ से मेरे को कोई शर्म नहीं है कहने में कि मैं तो झोली फैला के आपके सामने आता हूँ, आपसे आपके अनुभव को इकट्ठा करने के लिए आपसे दरकार है मेरी कि वो अगर हमको मिल जाए तो इस समाज के लिए, इस साइंस के लिए जो कुछ हम करना चाह रहे हैं, और खासकर हम अपने जो देश का परचम इंटरनेशनली लहराना चाहते हैं, वो उसमें कामयाब हो पाएंगे। और अब हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा ये फेस्टिवल एक वाकई में एक इंटरनेशनल शक्ल और सूरत हासिल करे, जिससे कि आने वाले वक्त में हम ये कह सकें कि ये वाकई में एक ट्रूली इंटरनेशनल है। तो इसमें आप सबके जो कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं, आप सबका जो साथ है, अब मेरी बस एक और आपसे चलते चलते एक और मांग रहेगी। ये दिल मांगे मोर, हमेशा बहुत कुछ मांगता हूँ, और एक और चीज़ मांगना चाहूँगा कि निमिष जी एक कोर कमेटी बना दें फिल्म फेस्टिवल की, जिसमें आप सब लोग हों, और हम लोग एक सेक्रेटेरिएट बनाएं ताकि उसको हम हमेशा हमेशा के लिए मजबूत कर सकें। और बाकायदा मैं एश्योर करता हूं कि मैं निमिष जी को जो भी मुश्किलात पेश आती हैं रेड टेप या कोई फाइल की वजह से, उसको मैं दूर करने की कोशिश करूंगा। बाकायदा बढ़िया सी जगह बना के जहां आप लोग आ सकें, गुफ्तगू कर सकें, और हमारे साथ ना सिर्फ फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पर OTT चैनल में भी जुड़ सकें, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी रहेगा। लिहाजा एक कोर कमेटी अगर आप लोग फॉर्म करें, दानिश भाई, जैसे हमारी उर्दू की कोर कमेटी है, जैसे हमारी पब्लिकेशन कमेटी है, उसी तरह से हमारी फिल्म फेस्टिवल की एक कोर कमेटी हो जिसमें आप लोग की रहनुमाई होगी, तो हम वो सब तमाम चीज़ें जो हमारे दिल में जो ख्वाहिशें हैं, जो लोगों तक पहुंचने के जज्बे हैं, उसको एक अमली जामा पहना पाएंगे। तो इन अल्फाजों के साथ इजाज़त चाहूँगा और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आने वाले साल में आप सब लोग बहुत खुश, बहुत तंदुरुस्त और हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोच के साथ हमारे साथ रहेंगे। और अब तक के सफ़र में जो आपने हमारा साथ निभाया है, और उसके लिए तो जितनी तारीफ़ की जाए, जितना आपको धन्यवाद दिया जाए, शुक्रिया अदा किया जाए, वो कम है। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और निमिष जी, हम सब की तरफ से, बाकी जितने भी लोग हैं, हम सब की तरफ से आपके जज्बे को सलाम, और इस स्पिरिट को मरने मत दीजिए, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल होता है सरकार के अंदर। काम तो शुरू होता है, चलता है, पर उसको बनाए रखना एक बहुत मुश्किल होता है। फ्रिक्शन बहुत होती है, और हमें किसी भी तरह से सेकंड लॉ ऑफ न्यूटन को यहाँ पे प्रूव नहीं होने देना है और अपने मोमेंटम को बनाए रखना है।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। और वो मुलाकातें और बातें बहुत खास होती हैं जो आप चाहते हैं कभी खत्म ना हो। और हालांकि कहते हैं there's a cliched saying every good things even comes to an end, but this is certainly not an end, it's a beginning to foster our relationship, Vigyan Prasad's relationship with all of you, with all good, beautiful, smiling people. Wish you all smiles, luck and health always. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas to all.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Same to you. Same to you.
Okay, keep smiling, everyone.